CORSAIR VENGEANCE DDR5 64GB 5200MHz review. Real performance creators actually need for workflows. Your video export crashes at 92% after 3 hours of rendering. Again, that sinking frustration hits hard when you realize your memory maxed out halfway through the timeline. Your browser tabs freeze the moment you switch back from Premiere Pro. The pressure builds every Sunday night, knowing your Monday deadline depends on hardware that keeps choking under normal workload demands. You close applications one by one, hoping something frees up enough headroom to finish the project. Nothing works consistently. Virtual machines stutter, Photoshop layers slow to a crawl. Your system fans spin louder as RAM struggles to keep pace with what modern creative software actually demands daily. The knot in your stomach tightens because you know your current 32GB setup cannot handle what your workflow genuinely requires anymore. Sound familiar at all? The problem compounds silently over weeks and months of workarounds and compromises. You start planning projects around memory limitations instead of creative vision. That drains your energy and focus in ways you never anticipated when you built this system originally. Render times stretch from hours into overnight sessions because you cannot keep enough applications open simultaneously to work efficiently anymore. Client deadlines become anxiety triggers instead of motivating challenges. The quiet stress accumulates as you manually save every few minutes, fearing another out-of-memory crash will destroy unsaved progress completely. You tried closing background apps, optimizing settings, clearing cache files religiously. Nothing addressed the core issue adequately. Every creative decision now includes a mental calculation about whether your system can physically handle the complexity without freezing or crashing mid-workflow. Your productivity suffers. Your creative confidence wavers. The lost hours add up faster than you want to admit. This cannot continue indefinitely without real consequences to your output quality and professional reputation. Then everything changed when I upgraded to the CORSAIR VENGEANCE DDR5 RAM 64GB 5200MHz kit. Do not just pick any desktop memory upgrade. Make sure it has true 64GB capacity with stable 5200MHz speeds so you never suffer mid-render crashes from maxed out RAM again. This kit transforms how your system handles demanding creative workloads completely. The dual-channel 2x32GB configuration delivers DDR5 bandwidth improvements, while the Intel XMP 3.0 profiles ensure one-click stability without complex manual tuning required. That onboard voltage regulation via integrated PMIC provides finer control and more stable performance than older DDR4 generations ever could manage consistently. The aluminum heat spreaders dissipate heat efficiently while maintaining low-profile clearance for large CPU coolers. And here is the thing. The lifetime warranty backs long-term reliability you can actually depend on daily. Your daily workflow becomes genuinely calmer once reliable memory capacity eliminates the constant bottleneck anxiety. Rendering completes faster because your CPU feeds on data without waiting for memory swaps to slower storage constantly. Multiple applications stay responsive simultaneously. Browser tabs, editing software, background renders, and virtual machines coexist without competing for scarce resources anymore. One professional video editor mentioned in reviews how the 64GB capacity transformed multitasking completely, running virtual machines, browsers, and editing software simultaneously without stutter or slowdown. Industry analysts consistently highlight how the 5200MHz speed delivers strong read-write throughput, making it exceptional value in the DDR5 category currently available. Real users report zero stability issues post-installation, with noticeable speed gains in Premiere Pro exports and Photoshop layer handling immediately after upgrade. Yes, the price feels higher than 32GB kits initially, but consider this carefully. Replacing inadequate memory later wastes more money than investing in sufficient capacity from the start. The black aesthetic complements high-end builds perfectly, while the low-profile design prevents interference with oversized air coolers. Which creative bottleneck costs you the most productive hours weekly? See my content creators standardize on 64GB configurations now. This memory kit genuinely transforms how creative professionals and power users handle memory-intensive workflows without constant crashes or slowdowns. Thousands of creators already rely on this exact configuration for stable performance during demanding projects that cannot tolerate interruption or data loss. The CORSAIR VENGEANCE DDR5 RAM 64GB 5200MHz delivers the capacity and speed modern workflows genuinely require. The link in the description and pinned comment below is an affiliate link supporting this channel. Click through and explore whether this upgrade matches your system requirements today. Your future renders will thank you for making this decision now.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.